This is a Heathkit VF-1 Variable Frequency Oscillator, commonly known as a VIFO. No one ever calls it a VIFO. It's called a VFO. And when I got it, I did have to make a minor repair to the dial. The set screw had become loose, so I had to disassemble it and fix it, which I did, and had to spray clean the contacts, which I did. So this is this one's really stable because I just turned it on and it hasn't drifted at all. I wonder what's wrong with it. Why doesn't it drift? These VFOs are known to drift quite a bit. This one hasn't drifted at all. In any event, this is the 15, 40, 20, and 10 meter section of the VFO. And if it works on 40 meters, it works basically on harmonics, so it's going to work on all the other bands above it. So you see it's set for 7.15, and you don't get much closer than that. I can get it closer, but don't get much closer than that. And then the only other band we check it on, I don't know why I say we, I kind of mean I. You can't use this as a transmitter unless you're QRP squared. So I'm going to put it on the 80 meters band and see if, let's see if I can put it to 3.8. All right, we're not quite as close on that frequency as we are otherwise, but in shipping it'll change anyway. But you can adjust the frequency with a screwdriver through using these holes. There's a capacitor in there, a trimmer capacitor. It doesn't cut your hair, but that is the trimmer capacitor. And it would be foolish of me to sit there and try and adjust it right now because it would change anyway. So that's working on the 75 meter section. I'll just go up and show you the other side of the VIFO. I don't know how well you can see that, but that's the back, the front, the side, and the other side. Probably should put in one more screw, but I couldn't find one in my toolbox, and so maybe you could add a screw when you get it, but it has all the other screws. And so that's this thing really looks stable. I don't know, I think I might want to keep it because I do have another one that I use over here, and I don't think it's as stable. The power supply does not come with it. The power supply was made for children, as you can see by its various colors. And your DX40 or DX20, I don't think the DX20, DX35 or DX60 can supply power, or you can build an independent supply. The independent supply requires basically 6.3 volts and a B plus of somewhat over 200 volts.